YouTube, this is my 2011 We the People versus bike check. I'm going to start from the top bars to the forks and back. So I have the neon green ODI bar in. Then I have Colt Vans grips that are really grippy. Then I have a Salt brake lever and a Salt Slim brake line. Then I have a Salt Plus green stem that's never stripped on me before. Then I have a Salt Plus integrated headset. Then I have 100% chromoly, We the People chromoly forks. Then I have a Salt Plus hub that's really good. Then I have a Salt Plus high quality rim in green. And I also have a white sidewall demolition momentum in 2.35, and it's big and it's really grippy. Then I have, starting on the pedals to the cranks, I have white Odyssey twisted PCs that are really grippy and strong. Then I have Salt cranks, and then I have a Salt Plus aluminum alloy sprocket that's nothing's ever happened to it before. Then I have a white regular, just a KMZ chain. Then I have a stock bottom bracket. Then I have an E-clat seat that's stock, came with the bike. It's really good, but it's worn down. Then I have a Odyssey Aiken back tire, and it's a dirt tire. Then I have another rear Salt high quality rim on the back. Then I have a Salt Plus hub, I think, and here's the hub on.